Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 230 Cruiser.
Okay.
This 230 Cruiser is all new from Harris. Has the center walk-through, so you can walk all the way through. It's one of our most popular layouts. This is the gray interior. It's a French gray, it's two-tone. There's cup holders integrated into the seats. You got speakers, the base, and then cup holders at the top as well. Both of these loungers here in the back. This boat is powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. It's got a 4-step ladder. This is the center walk-through with dual helm. Under that compartment is a dressing room. The dressing room is actually not there, but you can order it if needed. Here at the helm, we have a Fusion radio player. You got all your switches, your tack, hour meter, depth finder, and all. And then again up at the front, 2 loungers, cup holders, storage under all the seats. There's a spot for dedicated storage for a trash can. It's an absolutely gorgeous but yet affordable boat. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.